Hello, long up to long swing trading strategy. Swing trading strategy daily chart analysis after the stock market closed. So the stock market closed on February 14, 2025, and we are going to analyze the chart after that market close. And the first one we are going to analyze is DECK. So we are going to make sure we have maximum daily chart and DECK. DECK. Okay, so we have the long uptrend line that we like to buy on, and this one the stock fell to it and surpassed it. So we can activate this one so that we can make a little bit longer since it's falling short. Keeping an eye on the low here that is touching. So as you can see, from that high it fell to this and it continued falling. It continued to fall. So I'm going to assume it's going to fall for up to this. So this trend line, I'm going to activate it so that I can move that to the bottom of that. So, and yesterday, Friday, the price pulled back. It is a red bar, just mean that the price at the end of the day was lower than the price in the morning when the market opened. So there was a pullback yesterday, but pretty much this trend going up ended, and the trend line ended, the short trend line ended when the price pulled back below it. So when you have a low below that, it pulled back. But now we are seeing lower lows. You see this a high here is lower than this one here. Therefore, we are having lower lows. So we don't know when it's going to stop going down. We are just going to continue observing it. As long as we are having lower lows, we will say it's not done going down. So, but yeah, so far that's what we have for DECK. The next one is DOV, and again is a daily chart. So every single bar is a daily price bar. So DOV, okay, so we have our purple line that we like to buy at, but right now it's nowhere near it. It's up right there, and yesterday was a pullback as well. The price is red, so it is a pullback. But again, it for long uptrend line swing trading strategy, we like to buy at the lower trend line, the valley. Therefore, we are going to wait on it. Although you could see a higher lows here, this low be higher than this one, for instance. But or even within this area, this low is higher than this low, is higher than this low. See, so on a short trend line, you still have, you can trace an uptrend line there, but we are not going to trade it on a short trend line. We like to trade it on a long trend line. Therefore, we will wait for it. There is this one that is touch base with it. It's close to this, that's why we didn't highlight it, but we'll be following both, and we prefer to wait. It makes big mountain, so maybe it's making a big one. We just prefer to wait for that to pull back before we get in. But it's not done making those shore mountain on top of here. We are using a maximum daily chart so you can have a big picture, but when we go to 1 year daily chart, it's going to be showing you this area and you may not see the big picture there. So 1 year daily chart, you see, is going to be showing it to you this way. And you might think, well, this trend line could be a trend line to buy at. Yes, that could be a trend line to buy at as well if it's going to go up from there. But on the maximum daily chart, by looking at the big picture of it, we notice that it makes a big mountain and does pull back to a valley lower. Therefore, there is a chance it might do that again. But how low it's going to come, if it's going to come down to either one of those, we don't know. We just prefer to keep observing it at the moment. And if you are not sure, don't take any action. Just keep analyzing the chart on a daily basis if you can, so that you can keep paying attention to every single puzzle that the price is adding to the existing puzzle, chart puzzle, to see if you can decipher the pattern that the price is drawing. Thank you so much for watching. Those are the two that we are going to analyze in this session, and none of the two we are going to trade when the market open, because we want to wait for them on the trend line. Thank you so much for watching. We thank you very much for watching our videos, and we thank you very much you all that subscribe to our channel. Thank you for all your comments. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. So yeah, it's good to write down your process of analyzing the chart, have your trend lines, and just wait, to buy at the trend line when it start going up from there. Thank you. But anyway, for more of to watch more of our swing trading related videos, will you please check the playlist in the description of the video, and I'm going to put that on the screen as well. Thank you.